Hello and welcome back to our live coverage of the Cancun Climate Talks here in Mexico. A reminder of viewers, this is an interactive channel. You can send your questions and comments in using the chat box on the OneClimate.net website and also via Twitter using the hashtag OneClimate. I'm delighted to say that I've been joined by Emily Chang of the Taiwan Institute for Sustainable Energy. And Emily, Taiwan's in quite a peculiar position when it comes to covering these talks and getting information back to Taiwan. So maybe I'll ask you to start by introducing that. Why is it difficult? Why are you here?
On behalf of the Taiwan Institute for Sustainable Energy, and actually one of our main goals here is actually on behalf of Taiwan, and as an observer and NGO, we're here to bring back information what's the current status for meetings and what are the topics and topic information and topic that they focus on these years, and bring back to Taiwan by blogs, by posting, and by extensive photoing or video cameraing. We're going to introduce the public and raise awareness and bring more people to put their attention on these topics. And
what is awareness like in Taiwan? Is there lots of people worried about climate change, or is it not an issue that people are interested in? Is it high awareness or low awareness?
Actually, there are lots of public governmental policy already, and actually we have a lot of concrete measures already, recycling, and we already put on cutbacks on waste and trash. But actually, that there's not much people knowing about these current changes that were the current progress in, for example, UNFCCC or what the media's in the United Nations. We don't really know what's the topic going on in these days for the latest progress. So we're here to bring back what have been accomplished and what can we do more, and what of the incentives that we can get from each side events.
And you were telling me just before we went on air that there aren't Taiwanese media here. Why is that?
Because we are not in the part of UNFCCC group, so we cannot actually send press, medias, or any kind of organization on behalf of governmental identity or on behalf of the states. So we can only go through observer through NGOs, and we send people in. And for example, this year we sent 7 youth coming over for journaling and for recording everything and bring back to Taiwan.
Okay, so it's a good job that there's interactive online media coverage for people in Taiwan to cover the talks then. And you've said this is your first big UN climate talks that you've attended. What do you make of it?
So far, we have been attending side events, and hopefully that we will get into big panels that we can understand more about these climate change issues. We have city talks in Taiwan this year in Taipei city, and then it's more started bring more people to focus on. So actually, I'm really fairly new in this fields, but we will be continuing working on with Taiwan Institute of Sustainable Energy.
Well, it's good to hear that there's enthusiasm for continuing to cover the talks. Emily, we better leave it there because we have a press conference that we want to cover, but thank you very much for joining us, and maybe we'll catch up with you later in the week.
Thank you.
We're going to take you now to the press conference for the Climate Action Network, which happened earlier today.